Hey guys, it's Zung, and today I'm back with my little sidekick Cece, and we're gonna be making one of our favorite dishes. I'm partnering with Mrs. T Pierogies to bring you a meaty skillet pierogi bake. It's kid friendly and super easy to make. Hit that like button if you love seeing Cece cook with me. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is chop up some vegetables. Cece has her own little cutting station and a plastic knife, and I'm gonna put her on onion and tomatoes duty. Can you cut this onion really small for mommy?
Yeah.
While she works on her onions, I'm gonna work on my onions. We're just gonna dice it up real small. Look, mommy does it like this.
Cut this one?
No, you can't have a big knife. Can you cut yours like that? Can you cut yours like that? Here, you can have this one. Here, you can have this one. Hold it, yeah, hold it. So you don't cut yourself. You have to hold it down. You want mommy to cut it smaller?
I cut onion.
You're doing a great job. Okay, after we're done, we're gonna put it in here.
Can I cut this?
Sure, you can cut the tomatoes.
Cut small tomato.
You can cut the tomatoes and put it in your skillet, okay? While she does that, I'm gonna mince some garlic. Cece, does the onions hurt your eyes? Should have thought of that. Okay, now you can work on the tomatoes, okay? This is only for garlic. For the tomatoes, you can cut it down.
Oh, I do.
Okay, you can do it. You have, oh, there you go.
I cut it.
Good job. I'm just mincing the garlic into medium-sized chunks. We like garlic, and it'll bake up really nicely.
Can I put it in Cece's pan?
Yes, you can put it in. No, not yet, Cece, not yet. Mommy will give you two, okay? Put it back. We're done with cutting, so now we're gonna move on to cooking.
This was not a real tomato.
No, it's not a real tomato.
This one.
That one is a toy tomato.
That one.
That one is a
Real tomato.
So I have my cast iron skillet, and I'm just gonna turn on the heat to medium high. Cece, it's really hot, so don't touch this, okay? No. So once the skillet's hot, I'm gonna add our onions. Do you wanna cook along with mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's make pierogi.
Yeah. Okay, so you can cook on this one, and we'll give you some onions.
Go.
So once the pan is hot, I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. Do you want some olive oil too?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna add the onions. Good job. We'll just saute this for about a minute until it turns nice and translucent. And just mix it.
It's good for you. What's next?
Okay. What's next? Now we add some garlic. Okay, I'm gonna add some garlic. You just need a little bit of garlic in yours, not too much. Okay, and then mommy will add the rest in here. I'll just cook that up for another minute. Add our Italian seasoning. And for mine, we're gonna add some Italian sausage. I'm using the non-spicy one, the mild ones, just because it's better for the kids because they can't take a lot of spice. But
I chopped it.
mommy has to cook it first, then you can have it, okay? And I just break it up into smaller pieces so that it mixes in with the sauce and easier for the kids to eat. Does that look good?
Can I put it
When I'm done, okay?
It's turning really brown.
Yeah, it's turning a little brown. That means it's cooked. Okay, this is looking really good. Now you want some sausage?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna add some sauce. Okay.
I'm mixing up.
Okay, now comes the fun part. I'm gonna be adding Mrs. T's garlic and Parmesan stuffed pierogies.
Pierogies.
Do you love pierogies?
Yeah.
This one has garlic and Parmesan. Cece, what shape are the pierogies?
Circle.
It's a half circle. It's a moon shape, right? I'm just gonna put a
Half circle.
half circle. Would you like one in your bake?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna nestle them into my pan.
Oh,
one more?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm just gonna make sure the whole thing is covered in sauce, but we definitely don't want it to drown in it. And just because I'm a mom, I love sneaking vegetables wherever I can. We'll just add a handful of spinach in there and just let it mix with the sauce. It'll cook down.
I like spinach.
You do. So now we're just gonna let our pierogies simmer and cook up. Cover it up for a couple of minutes. Mrs. T's pierogies are simple and easy to prepare, whether you boil, bake, saute, fry, or grill them. These garlic and Parmesan pierogies add big, bold flavor to our favorite everyday meals. Okay, we're gonna transfer yours into a little baking dish, and we're gonna bake yours up, okay? You like it because it's pink? It's fully cooked, but now we're gonna add some cheese on top. All right, I'm gonna add some Parmesan first, and then some mozzarella cheese. And now we'll just pop it into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is nice and bubbly. The pierogies are fully cooked, so we're just trying to melt the cheese here. Life can be challenging, especially this year, so mealtime doesn't have to. This came together so quickly and it packs in so much flavor. We're gonna dig in and give it a try. You wanna try some, Cece?
Yeah.
Okay, it's really hot, okay? And you just have to try it. Cheers. Best of all, the entire family loves this meal too. If you guys want to learn more about Mrs. T's pierogies, be sure to check in the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye, YouTube.